Hello students, welcome to this online tutorial. Myself Bimal Sojitra. Today we are going to learn about computer. We will start chapter number 1, what is a computer. In that we will cover up the topics like what is computer and parts of computer. So let's start our first topic, that is what is computer. A computer is a machine. Machines are man-made things, that is made by men. Do you think what is a machine? In our daily life we see many things around us. Out of them some things are man-made things. For example, chair, table, books, car, etc. are examples of man-made things. Machines are also man-made things. And computer is also a machine, as it is made by men. But unlike other common machines that perform only particular tasks, but computer can do different types of works for us, such as it is used to write, draw, do sums, play games, listening to music, and even we can watch cartoon films and movies on it. So we can say computer is used to do different types of works. It does not make mistakes. Human being can make mistakes, but not computer. It makes our work easy. For example, it helps us in math sum and gives accurate result so quickly and fast. So it makes our work very easy. It can remember many things. Human being can forget many things, but computer can remember many things. The work data stored in computer memory will never forget. So we can say computer is used to store data for very long time. It does not get tired. Human beings get tired and need rest after working for a long time. But computer, it keeps working continuously without break. So we can say it does not get tired even if it works for a long time. It can do big calculations fast. Human beings need more times to complete work, but computers can do big calculations also in very fast. So these are all important characteristics of computer. Do you think why computer is called a smart machine? Because of its special qualities. Now we understand parts of a computer. A computer is made of different parts, such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speaker. Let's start with monitor. Monitor looks like TV screen. It is also called Visual Display Unit, in short VDU. Monitors are used to see cartoon films and movies on it. Next one is keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. It is flat rectangular box. We can use keyboard to enter anything into computers. It has several keys on it, such as number keys, to enter numbers from 0 to 9. Letter keys are used to write words or sentences starting from A to Z. After that, backspace key is used to erase a character from left of the cursor, and delete key is used to erase a character from the right side of a cursor. Next, enter key is used to go to the next line. Next, caps lock key and shift key can be used for capital letters. Now, next, spacebar key is used to put space between letters or words. So in this way, in keyboard there are several keys, and we can use all these keys as per our requirements. Next one is mouse. A mouse is small plastic device. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. That is left mouse button, right mouse button, and there is one scroll button in center. Mouse is kept on mouse pad. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the arrow on the monitor also moves, and this arrow on the monitor is called mouse pointer. So when you move the mouse on the mouse pad from left to right, the arrow on the monitor will also move from left to right. And if you move the mouse from top to bottom on mouse pad, the arrow on the monitor will also move from top to bottom in the monitor. So we can say mouse is used to point out mouse pointer on the monitor, and that's why it is also called mouse pointer. And mouse is also called pointing device. Mouse is connected to CPU with a cable. Next one is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is most important part of computer. It is called brain of the computer. The computer's most of processes are performed in Central Processing Unit, and the data are also stored in Central Processing Unit. So we can say it is a main part of a computer. Next one is printer. Printer is used to print output on a paper. Printers can print text and pictures both. Nowadays, different types of printers are available in market. Some printers print in black and white format, while some printer prints in colorful. So we can use any of these as per our requirements. Printer is also connected to CPU with the help of cable. In short, if you want to print on paper, you can use printer. Next one is speaker. Speakers are used to listen to music. When you are watching cartoon films and movies on computer, or even when you are playing video games, you can listen sound with the help of speakers. So we can say speakers are used to listen to sounds. Nowadays, computers are available in different sizes in market. Some of these are small sized, some are medium sized, and some are big. Users can purchase any computer as per the requirement. So after watching this video, now you know what is computer. It means it is an electronic machine which can do different tasks such as for typing, drawing, playing video games, listening to music and watching cartoon films and movies. It makes our work very easy. It does not make mistakes. It can remember many things, and even it does not get tired even if it works for a long time. And after that, now you understand which are the parts of computer. That is monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, printer and speakers. All these are different parts of computers. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Now, after watching this video, you can easily solve this exercise. In that, you have to fill in the blanks. The first one is the blank is known as VDU, means the name of device which is called VDU. Next is the blank is called brain of the computer. Which device is called brain of the computer? Next, the blank is used to print on paper. Which part is used to print on paper? Next, the blank key is used to go to next line. Means which key is used to go to next line? Next, the blank is known as pointing device. The name of pointing device. Next, the blank is used to put space between words. Means name of the key which is used to put space. Next, the mouse is kept on blank, means where you can put your mouse. And next, the blank is used to listen to music. Which part or which device is used to listen to music? So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.